Hey guys, it's been a while since we posted, but me and Victor are gonna take the jet ski out and have some fun on it today. So look at our little setup. So right over here we got Victor. He's gonna be bringing it to the dock. He says he knows how to do it. If not, he'll figure it out. But we got the tube, and then we got the wakeboard. We're hoping this thing can get the wakeboard up. But yeah, we're gonna go bring her up to the dock, and we're gonna do a little bit of GoPro action while we're out on the lake today. So enjoy. So we're in the truck, we're getting ready to go bring him, but I gotta swap you guys over into the waterproof case. I would honestly risk it since they are technically waterproof, but like, it's my only camera since my other one got destroyed and ran over since I left it on the back of the boat. And I don't want to damage this one. Then I'll be out 2 cameras. So we're gonna play it safe and just montage all those clips. But there's currently no spots to park, so we gotta go park in the grass. But there was a loud bang and we think a tire exploded, so we're gonna go check it out. We're gonna go see where this tire blew up because we think somebody, say it was like flat, you know? And they're like, oh, let's put some air in it. But like, it's the first time out this season and it's been an old tire, it's dry cracked, and now it's hot out. It probably exploded, so we're gonna go inspect for that. But we took the live media kit off, so it doesn't have the nice little microphone on it because I don't think that's waterproof, and this is waterproof. And then we're also, when we have it out there, say on the tube or something, we got a even better waterproof case, but then we won't have audio. So we'll see what we do today. Enjoy.
What the heck? I don't know, dude. I swear I heard it. I swear you guys heard it. Oh, there it is. The spare tire. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I don't know if you might be able to see. I don't know, but that spare tire exploded. Huh? I did. There's someone behind us. Keep going. So this is our, man, that is so sketch. Oh, we're gonna lose something today, boys. True, yeah. Looking for an open spot because this place is so busy. Down to the ramp we go. We're on the water. Hopefully we're not suffocating anything here. This dock nice and slow. Not that fast. I'm scared about the wakeboard falling off, dude. I'm so scared.
Is it gonna sink?
No, it floats, but I'm scared of it. Actually, I don't know. It's an old wakeboard, so we'll see.
Okay, I got it, buddy. Don't whip me too hard.
Bro, look at this little fish that's over here. Look.
You gotta get me up.
Hold up, let me strap this so I don't lose it.
Good?
Oh my gosh, the fish! There's a lot right here.
Don't jump that damn thing. goes.
That's so...
Oh!
Just watch one hit him in the head.
Wait.
Stop. Watch out, there's a wall right there.
I see it. I'm too close. You get out of here. Justin, those guys over there in that boat just broke their necks looking at you. Those guys in that boat right there. I was like, what? It's wakeboarding on Jetski, oh my god!
That's awesome.
Post faceplant interview.
How do you feel?
That one rung you, huh?
I feel amazing. Ah.
That one rung you.
Oh,
That's the guy who having me, bro.
that one yeeted you, bro.
The water's going up my nose and into my brain.
Yeah. Exactly.
No way.
We're in a submarine.
Oh, Jesus.
Hold up.
Ready? Ready. Submarine. He let go. That didn't last long.
Okay. Okay, so you saw us have some fun out on the lake today. Now the next goal is to get this out on the lake. So right now there's just a whole bunch of mildew if you come look at it. All this yuck, which I just sprayed it with soap and everything. As you can see, it's all over the place. And I'm just pressure washing it off. So look at the aftermath of that. It looks a lot better over here. You can see where I've gone. So this is gonna be very satisfying to do. And then the boat will look a little bit better. And I got a carb rebuild kit we're gonna be throwing on it because we threw a new motor in it in August, but I think it got a little gummed up over the winter as it sat, or the gas is bad. I did put some treatment in the gas, so we'll see. We'll get a gas sample as well. But it was running good in the fall, so it should run good now. So I'm gonna keep washing it, and then we're gonna start trying to get it to fire up again. So it is insanely dark out. We're basically wrapped up for tonight. There's a few things we're gonna do tomorrow, but that's gonna be in the next video. If you guys watched to this point, thank you so much. You might as well hit the like button and subscribe to my channel because yeah, that video was pretty cool. But right here what we did was we put oil in the Alpha 1. So there was some still in there and it was really yucky. So now it's got some fresh blue old nice marine grade gear oil in there, 2 spec. You just pump it in from the bottom, and then when it starts flowing out the top, screw right there, you're good. Which we made a mess because it started pouring out the bottom. Well, I had the little funnel. Well, okay, here, let me show you what I set up. Here's the oil things, right? They're right there. Okay, you have a pump which is right here. It's like a little like soap dispenser pump basically, where that side sits down in the bottle and you pump it through this hose and up and in. This hose has a nozzle on it that would fit up into the little piece right down there. I don't know if you can see it, right? So I was holding it tight so it wouldn't leak while Victor was pumping the oil into the Alpha 1, and it started to leak out the bottom. So I'm like, oh my gosh, like we're making a mess. We're losing all of our oil, and I wasn't sure if we had enough to fill this whole thing. And so I'm like, Victor, pump faster. So he started pumping faster and we were leaking more. And then we had to swap bottles over to the other one, and he was pumping it up, and then it started overflowing out the top. And then I'm like, okay, go get the screws because we left them far away. And then I'm like, no, the screw with the washer goes on the bottom, or the rubber seal. And so then we put the rubber seal in, it stopped leaking, and it was still overflowing out the top, so we know it was full. So that's a good sign. So it is full of just fresh oil, and that was way too long of a conversation for that, but that's what we did there. We got the whole boat pressure washed, so look how nice and white this all is. It was disgusting before. There's still some water on it, but yeah. And along with, then on the side here, we started removing the stickers with that rubber wheel, and it's kind of coming along. It's gonna be a long process, but we'll get her done. So that will be kind of a tomorrow's project, but tomorrow's main deal is we're gonna get the carb off and put the rebuild kit in it. So yeah, wish us luck, but the gas line's stuck on and we stripped it. Well, the line wrench started slipping and the normal wrench was slipping too, so I swapped over the vice grips and it's not gonna come off. So I'm gonna cut the fuel line and then take the carb off, put it in a vise and get the fuel line off, and go get some fittings at the store tomorrow and put a rubber line on. It's fine because it's a carbureted system. It's not under high pressure, so we'll be fine just putting on some normal fuel line there and putting some fittings in and calling it good. And then we can fire up the boat tomorrow and maybe we'll go out to the lake. We'll see, but that will all be in a different video. I really appreciate you guys watching this one. It was kind of all over the place, but I honestly think that's gonna be my new video style. Instead of just working on one project, we're just gonna vlog what I'm doing, because I'm doing a lot, and it's hard to make videos of working on a whole bunch of little things at once. So I appreciate you guys tuning in, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Peace out. Bye.